To celebrate after the run. That's a good sign that who's winning the battle, the physical battle in this one.
Exactly.
Approaching a minute to go. Eastern Washington putting the finishing touches on a big second-round win. Here's Bronson again. This time he's by the hole. Ball comes free. The ball is loose at the 12-yard line. No indication yet. And Wagner gets it. Wagner has the football with 1:11. This was all but over. Now a opening in the door, though it's going to take a miracle. They still got a chance here.
You're talking about vicious hits coming in here. Look as he gets outside, has one hand on the ball. Now he's trying to wrap it up. Because of all that coming from behind, he had no opportunity. And then what can you say right there? Patrick O'Connor, get in there, fight for it. You can see right there. The hit to the elbow is hard to keep up. Right there, the tackle, 7'8" Clay Bradford couldn't hold on to the ball, but better job by Patrick O'Connor scrapping for that ball.
Senior